In this video, I share the 5 challenges with making money online that nobody tells you about and offer a simple, proven solution. Now anyone can start making money online today, lots of money, in just minutes a day, no matter what your background. Previous experience does not matter here. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been making money online almost since the start of the internet. It quickly turned into my full-time income. I haven't worked a real job in years. And even better than the money is the time freedom that comes with it. I ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer while most people are at their jobs. Hey, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week to help you make more money. I'm sure you'll want to get the information. Also, please hit the like button too to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So if you've tried to make money in an online side hustle and struggled, or if you are searching for the right way to earn money online, you have probably run into some of these challenges. There are several real problems nobody tells you about. Let me share these challenges so that you are aware of them, and I will provide the solution I found. The first big challenge people run into is the expense. And it's not just the fee to get started, but as soon as you get in, you find out that you also need to buy other things like email autoresponders, sales funnels, web design, web hosting, other programs tied into the system for the business you just joined, and leads or traffic to build your business. I've lost track of how many people I've met over the years that have told me they spent a small fortune and hadn't made a dime yet. Ouch. Next is the amount of time the online business will take. Unfortunately, many businesses take almost as much time as taking on another job. Well, who really wants to do that? Then there's how long it takes to start making money when you do get in. Too often, new people give up if they don't see immediate results. And then another common challenge is the lack of training and mentoring. As soon as you sign up, you feel like you're on your own. And worse yet, many businesses recommend or even push you to buy training and coaching programs. And then lastly, but probably the biggest challenge to making money online is the amount of money new people can realistically earn, both immediately and long-term too. So now that you know what to watch out for, let me share the solution I found. It's an affordable, simple, lucrative online business anyone can do. It's only $10 a month, so cost is never an issue. Gone are the days of spending hundreds of dollars just to get started. You can do this in only a few hours a week. Imagine putting in a few minutes a day, whenever it's convenient for you, from wherever you want to be. I even do this while I'm out sailing. And this simple way to make money online comes with everything you need. High converting websites and email autoresponders with pre-written emails are set up for you, no additional costs. It's a complete system. It comes with terrific training too. 4 live Zoom meetings each week, and they are recorded for you if you can't be there live. We have a terrific private training website for our team too, including free traffic methods to get lots of people to your website each day. Plus, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You'll never wonder about what to do next. And unlike so many wannabe mentors, I am accessible. You will be able to reach out to me by email, text, Facebook Messenger, or my personal cell anytime you need help. Following our simple system, many new people make money their very first day. The system is that good, that simple. And you can get paid every Thursday by direct deposit, no long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. Plus, this pays out passive or recurring income too. That's money that can keep coming in month after month for the sales you make each day. To learn more about making money online and to start making money today, go to my website at wannalivebetter.com. Again, that's wannalivebetter.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.